What's an unspoken rule of marriage? My wife and I have been married for 20 years. We have a rule that if one of us is talking to someone and the other one comes up and says, "We need to go," then we leave. No questions asked. This rule started when we were at a party, and I was talking to a guy who was getting very creepy. He was making me uncomfortable, but I didn't want to be rude and just walk away. My wife came up and said, "Hey, we need to go." I said, "Okay," and we left. On the way home, she told me she could tell I was uncomfortable and wanted to help me out. Since then, we've used this rule a few times. One time, we were at a friend's house, and my wife was talking to a guy who was getting very drunk and was starting to say some inappropriate things. I could tell she was uncomfortable, so I went up and said, "Hey, we need to go." She said, "Okay," and we left. On the way home, she thanked me for getting her out of that situation. We both know that if one of us says, "We need to go," then we leave. No questions asked. It's a way for us to look out for each other and make sure we're both comfortable in any situation.